You installed your furnace filter today and want to make sure not to be late next time. Enter that into the Click and Go Reminder app with reminders going forward and never be late again. So, installed furnace filter today. Installed furnace filter. We said that was today. And you would like reminders going forward every 10 days. Done. That right there is going to change the game for you, because not only will you have set up multiple reminders prior to your intended date to replace the filter, which could be in 6 weeks' time, but you will also get the reminders past the due date. By doing this, not only will the app be freeing up your calendar for your appointments only, but each time you get the reminder, it will tell you how much time has passed since your last change. With this information, you will never miss a filter change. And even if your 6 weeks timeline comes and goes, you will still get reminders after, so that for sure you will change it after, say, the 7th week. Try it and watch things change for you.